the Gin Basil Smash. If you haven't had one of these yet, you are definitely missing out. Now I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to make the original version of this cocktail, plus give you an easy modification that has always had my guests craving more. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways for you to make the Gin Basil Smash. Now, if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best bartending tips, bartending tricks, and bartending videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here. Don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now, the original Gin Basil Smash was created by a bartender in 2008 out of Hamburg, Germany, by the name of Jörg Meyer. Pretty sure I just butchered his name. Sorry, man. And his original version goes something like this. Take 4 to 6 fresh basil leaves. Go ahead and put that in your shaker. Give them a nice press so you can start to release the oils and the basil flavor. Next, you're going to add 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and then 2 ounces of gin. Go ahead and give that a nice shake with some ice, and then you can strain it into your rock glass with ice. I prefer to double strain it so that you don't get any of the bits of the bits of the basil mixed into the glass, and you have a nice, clean, refreshing cocktail at this point. And go ahead and take some more fresh basil, give it a nice agitating over your hands so you can release the aromas, stick it in your glass, and then you're all set to serve that to your guests. Now that's the original way to make the Gin Basil Smash. Makes for an amazing, deliciously refreshing cocktail, but I like to take mine just one step further. Now, because I like to play up the basilness or basiliness, I'd like it to have more of a basil flavor to mine. I actually take a step further and go with infusing the simple syrup with basil. Like I said, it helps to give a more pronounced basil flavor to the cocktail. Now in this version, all you do is follow the exact same steps. Just go ahead and grab your shaker with ice and add your 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1 ounce of your basil infused simple syrup, and then 2 ounces of your gin. Go ahead and give it a nice shake with ice, and then strain that into your rocks glass with ice. Once again, take some fresh basil, go ahead and agitate it, and then place the bouquet in the glass ready to serve, and you are all set with your modified Gin Basil Smash. So those are my two versions of the Gin Basil Smash. Go ahead and try out both of them, see which one you like best, which ones your guests like, and what would be cool, go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know which one comes out best for you and which one your guests prefer. Now, if you're looking for the best bartending training to take your skills to the next level, go ahead and head over to Barprints.co and check out our online course, Mixology Mastery, where I've come up with proven systems and frameworks to help you master both basic skills as well as advanced techniques to take your cocktails to the next level. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and for more great bartending videos, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.